If you want to create an AI wallpaper on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to the Wallpaper and Style. In here we're gonna choose the Change Wallpapers option in here. And then once you open this menu, you should be able to find Create with AI section. In here we have two options. We can use the Generative option or Creative Studio. In the case of Generative, we have some presets that we can edit, that we can customize a little bit. Here we have some examples, of course, and you can use them if you want to, or you can choose something from this list here below. So let's say if I choose Imaginary option in here, as you can see, we have a prompt that is prepared for us, and some of these options can be adjusted. Like for example, here the word lamp can be switched to something else. So let's say I'm gonna choose a bridge instead. I'm gonna also tap on flowers in order to switch them to something different. Let's say I'm gonna choose a stone, so a bridge made out of stone. In the shades of, instead of pink and purple, I'm gonna choose something like cream and orange. And then we can tap on generate. Of course, we need to agree to the Google privacy policy in order to be able to generate the image. But once it is generated, as you can see here, we have the preview and we get a couple of examples. So we can scroll through this list and you can try to find your favorite one. And you can of course generate one more time if you are not really satisfied with the results. But let's say that you like this wallpaper over here, you can tap on the set option. Then of course you can decide if you want to use it on the lock screen or home screen or both, and just go next, and the rest is pretty much standard. So you can make some adjustments here and there, and then tap on done in the upper right corner in order to save your wallpaper and apply it. I also mentioned that we have Creative Studio. This one allows you to pretty much create your own wallpaper based on your prompt instead of using some pre-made prompts in here. We can also see some examples that you can go for. You can actually tap on them in order to use it as a base. So you can make some changes here at the bottom in this prompt. We can also tap on the prompt in order to see what was used in order to generate this specific wallpaper. But in our case, we're gonna create our own wallpaper. And over here, of course, we have a couple of options. We can describe what we want to use. You can also use your own image or photo from the gallery that is going to be used as a reference. We can also draw something on a blank Canva. So then your drawing is going to be converted into a wallpaper. So let's say that we're gonna provide a prompt. Let's say I'm gonna type something like a dog chasing a tennis ball in a park. A simple prompt. You can also tap on this wand over here that we have above the field where we provide our prompts. Unfortunately, I deleted mine. I'm gonna fill that in again. And here we can choose the style of our drawing. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like webtoon over here. Alright, so now we're gonna finally tap on generate, and we should be able to get our result in just a second. Alright, there we go. As you can see here, we have the generated image. We can of course generate one more if you are not really satisfied with the current one. And once you find the wallpaper that you wish to use, we can just tap on done over here at the bottom of the screen. Once again, you can decide where you want to apply it, and of course we should be able to easily use the wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.